Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share with you how to disable the auto renewal for Hostinger email. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log into your Hostinger account. Then go to billing. And from this subscriptions page, you will see that your email hosting plan. In my case, it's this business starter email trial has on or the auto renewal is turned on. By default, how to turn off this? Simply click on this little arrow and click on disable auto renewal. Click on disable auto renewal again. As you see, auto renewal is off. Before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Hostinger web hosting online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger, how to set up your WordPress website and configure it, how to customize your WordPress website, SSL, security, privacy, email setup, launch and index your website, speed and performance optimization, how to use Lightspeed Cache plugin, and also how to manage your files, databases, and backups. To get all of this today for free, plus my other online courses like Hostinger Website Builder or Hostinger License, just join dotcom builders academy from this link, academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue this video. You see, auto renewal is off, and this is how to disable auto renewal for Hostinger email. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.